Flawless clarity. Maintains your phone's pristine image quality. Reactive touch. Retains your touchscreen responsiveness. Anti-shatter, anti-scratch. Fortified glass with surface hardness 9H, the highest level on the glass hardness scale. Simplified. Easy to clean, quick to install and leaves no residue when removed. Includes OTTERBOX limited lifetime warranty. See website for details. Top reviews from the United States. Great quality, I'm just an idiot. Great at everything it's made to do, but, in the first few weeks of me having it I was either really excited or really mad about something and out of emotional confusion I stuck my phone in my mouth and bit down. Screen protector obviously cracked. Still not sure what sparked me biting, but I do that quite often. This was not written by Samuel Weber but by his daughter about me, his daughter or his account. Easy. I normally dread buying stuff like this without someone that works with electronics to apply it, but it came with everything I needed to clean my phone screen and apply it with no problem. It came with a tool to place over your phone to ensure it went on straight. The instructions were clear and it came with a cloth to clean your screen.